How long can a Facebook Instagram ad creative last? Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. Hi, how long can a ad creative last? Meaning the video, the picture that people are seeing your ad itself. Well, it really depends. It depends on your business, depends on your offer, it depends on your ad account also. But often, if people have seen your ad several times, then they already know it, and those that are not interested, they're just gonna scroll by, and that's when you see ad fatigue. So if you have an ad that used to perform well and then it starts to dwindle down, then it could be ad fatigue. A lot of people, they think it's something with the settings, and they start to add new interest groups or fool around with the placements, or make it from a CBO, from campaign budget optimization, to ad set budget optimization. But most likely it's simply the creative that got too old, or people saw it too many times. You also have to keep an eye on your frequency. The frequency is how many times each user has seen your ad, and it shouldn't be too high. Maybe around, definitely not over 4. If it's a retargeting ad, it can be a little bit higher, because then it's people who already interacted with your business, and they are more hot, and therefore they're more likely to convert. Then it's okay to have a little bit higher frequency. But always be testing new ad creatives. The ad creative, meaning the video, the picture, is one of the most important thing of your Facebook, Instagram ads. Comment below, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. And down in the description, we also have a free ebook called Mastering Social Media Marketing Strategies for Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. You can go ahead there and download it for free. Also, please join our free Facebook group, Facebook Advertising for Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. Link in the description. And if you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches, consultants, entrepreneurs. So you can book a call with me or my team. There's a link in the description. And yeah, please share it and like it, subscribe. And thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.